So what's one of the most popular food cravings out there? The craving for a good sandwich, definitely. The tuna sandwich is really popular. We all know how to make a simple tuna sandwich, don't we? But today we're making something simple and different. We're making a fried tuna sandwich. For this you need 2 cans of flaked tuna in oil. Drain out all that oil and keep it drained. We're going to heat up 2 tablespoons of butter. To this we're going to add the drained tuna and we're going to lightly fry this in that butter. You want to get it so that it's lightly brown and crisp in places but not completely so. You want a combination of a little bit of soft fried tuna as well as a little bit of those crisp chunks. Keep it covered so that you can prevent that splatter. Now as you can see, some of the bits have become slightly fried and the rest is still soft. This is how we want it. You don't want to burn the tuna and you don't want to fry it too much or it tends to become hard. This looks just about right. So in the frying process you want to keep it covered and open and stir occasionally till you get it fried like this. Now we're going to add some seasoning, and for this we're using Montreal Steak seasoning. Montreal Steak seasoning is a combination of black and white pepper, a little bit of chili flakes, paprika, dried garlic and onion powder, a little bit of mustard seeds, coriander seeds, dill seeds, and just a pinch of rosemary. So we've added 1 teaspoon of the Montreal Steak seasoning as well as about half a teaspoon of coarse black pepper. Stir this really well, give it a taste. And now to assemble the sandwich, we need sandwich bread. I'm using white sandwich bread that's been toasted and buttered. And we also want a spoonful of mayonnaise for each sandwich. Top this with about 3 tablespoons of that fried tuna filling. And we're also going to add shredded lettuce and cucumber and tomato slices. Keep the cucumber and tomato slightly thick slices so that it gives you a nice crunch and texture. And you'll be pleasantly surprised by this whole new sensation of that hot tuna sandwich filling. Give this recipe a try and do let us know in the comment section what is your different take on the regular tuna sandwich.